Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm so excited to introduce you to my latest product, the Dream Funds Tracker, a tool that helps you save smarter, stay motivated, and reach your financial goals faster. Whether you're planning that dream vacation, saving for a new gadget, or building funds for something special, this tracker is designed to make saving fun, organized, and inspiring. Let me show you how it works. It includes 2 pages, Dream Funds and Savings Log. On the Dream Funds page, you'll start by typing your currency symbol into this cell, and the entire tracker will update automatically to reflect your chosen currency. Then, you can list up to 15 goals in the Goal Name column, enter the amount you're saving for, and double-click the Goal Date cell to select your target date from a calendar. Based on this, the tracker calculates how many days are left until your goal. At the bottom of the page, you can add images for each goal by selecting a cell, going to Insert Image in Cell, and uploading a picture to keep you motivated. Moving to the Savings Log page, you'll record the date. Select the goal from a drop-down menu, which automatically pulls the names you've entered on the Dream Funds page, and enter the amount you've saved. All your savings entries will automatically update the Dream Funds page, showing how much you've saved, how much is left, and the completion percentage with a progress bar for each goal. At the top of the Dream Funds page, you'll also see a summary of your total goal amount, total savings, the amount left to save, and the number of goals completed. Once you complete a goal, just check the box next to it, and the tracker updates instantly. At the bottom of the page, you'll see all the visuals and details for each goal, including the completion percentage, progress bar, current balance, amount left, and days left. If today matches your goal date, a "Today's the Day" message will appear, and if the date has passed, it'll gently remind you to catch up. The Dream Funds Tracker isn't just a savings tool. It's a motivational system that turns every step of your financial journey into something rewarding. If you'd like to check it out, I've left the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun tools and tips. See you in the next video.